Okay, this is the main channel of the Huron River. This goes up to Huron Meadows Park. Right at the turn, just down there, is the turn into Hidden Lake, or I don't know how to pronounce it, Vagildicock Pond or something like that. And then over to the left here, this is a channel that, from what I understand, the residents dug. When I was a kid, this did not exist. This was closed off. This was all marsh here. But that opening right there was dredged out. So now you have this split in the river, and a lot of the energy is going to the left over this way. And to the right, I would say there's more current here to the left now. This is taking the shortest path between 2 points, and the main channel, as it branches off here, doesn't have enough energy to clear weeds out, and that's causing a lot of excess weed growth growing at the mouth of Orr Creek, of Orr Lake, which is down that way, and so it's completely choked out down there because there's not enough energy in the main channel anymore. This to me is a problem. Okay, so now here is just downstream of Hidden Lake in the main channel. It's all weeds. It's a very weak current. There is some current here, but on the other side in the east channel over there, it's actually clear, if you can see that, all the way up, and pretty decent current going through there. I mean, it's the Huron, it's not a strong current, but that has more current over there than this little bit of current right here, if you can see that. There is some current there, but it's not very wide, and it's not very deep anymore. And the majority, so it's just barely. So I think eventually this will just be cut off, and that channel over there will take over. Hidden Lake will be cut off and become an oxbow, and spawning grounds for pike and bass and smallmouth will be gone.